thunderstorm and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Some locations in the warning include Randall, urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, eastern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Venango County in northwest Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was detected near Butler and was moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Butler, Saxonburg, Chicora, Hooker, East Brady, Brady's Bend, EAS, Reimersburg, Edmonton, Sligo, Knox, Van. Prepare for damaging wind gusts and frequent lightning. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at News Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Venango County, Pennsylvania,